So welcome back to Crispy's Projects, and here I am with the T5 van. So where have I been for the last couple of months? It's been a long old winter, I can tell you that. But I can come back with some absolutely fantastic news. So T5 is still here, it's still going to get worked on, and I'm going to Le Mans 24-hour in this. So I've got quite a bit of work to do. So this idiot has decided to go in the T5 van with his darling wife to Le Mans 24-hour, because I didn't like the idea of camping, and I've got a camper van, but I haven't got a camper van. So anyone that's got a van will probably know the dilemma that I'm in. So what sort of configuration am I going to do? What am I going to do to the van to get it up and running? Because it's only a couple of months away. So as I'm being reminded, I need to pull my finger out and get stuff done. So let's have a little look in the back and see how she is. I think I've got a bit of work to do. So these seats are going to have to go, which are really good bench seats. I've been messing around. I've had a slight noise, but I've managed to replace one of the engine mounts. That seems to have cured it. Child seat's got to go. This bulkhead's got to go. But overall, a couple of little things just need touching up around on the van, just here and there. The interior is actually what needs doing. So I'm not sure where I'm going to start first, but look in the back. I've not been in this since about Christmas when we put the kids' bikes in the back. So we've got all sorts of stuff. So bits of worktop, random tyres. I need to get them into the old recycle. As you can see, the carpet's not in particularly great shape. I don't know who's fitted it, but there's lots of overspray. Rip it all off. Give it a good thermal line. But we're going to have to get a bed in the back. And I'm not sure what kitchen configuration we're going to have. It does feel like I would have been better off with an empty van, wouldn't it? I've got loads of work stuff to do. So the rest of the day for me is going to be putting together a presentation I've got to present. So the next couple of jobs I'm going to do, I'm going to be showing you and finishing off the parking sensors. So I've got parking sensors fitted. That's going to be one of the next videos. I've got some rear lamps ready to go in. I've got... Here, let's go and have a look. I've managed to get rid of the keep fit windows, and I'm on the old electric, so I'm going to show you how to do that, and then I'm really going to start on the van, because I've got Easter weekend coming up, which I think I really need to get some stuff ordered up. But I think my main priority is going to be putting together some of the videos I've already filmed, and then actually starting to work on this. So planning steering wheel, that needs changing as well. It's proper worn out. Stereo, I need a far better stereo. I've already got a set of speakers ready to go in there, so that's going to be one of the next upgrades. So as you can see, I've set quite a task considering I work full time as well. So there's quite a lot to do on the van, and you know what? We'll do it. We'll do it. As the wife said this morning, even if we end up just throwing a mattress in the back and having a tent with us, that we'll be fine. We'll be fine. I'm not convinced, am I? I'm not convincing you. So if you've got a T5 conversion or you're planning it and you've got some tips, some tricks, anything you want to share, go and pop them down in the comments below. I'm starting to dread it. I'm not really quite sure what to do. I think thermal line definitely needs doing. I think my biggest problem is I like the van. I've been using the van a lot over the winter. It runs really well. I've got no problems with it, but I just want to get working back on the Corrado. So in the next week or two, I'm going to do another little video, dead short little filler that I filmed ages ago, where I actually made a bit of money out of the van, so to speak. No, I wasn't Danny the van man, but I would have probably made more that day. But anyway, so let's not worry about that just yet. That's going to be interesting. I wonder if there's a big market for these little bulkheads, because it is a VW style bulkhead. I wonder if there's a market for these. Really need to look into that rather than just spending money, don't I? So let's just run through. Wheels need painting, neither here nor there. Correct size tyres need going on, because I've got winters on there. Do you know what? I really enjoy winters. I am a real advocate for winter tyres during the winter. It is essential. I've got to retrim the old thing. So we look at it. it's all right, but it's not really amazing, is it? But if I'm getting a bed in the back, might even change the driver's seat. Definitely doing something with this seat. I just want the whole thing trimmed and slightly better. And curtains. I'm not one for picking up curtains. I think they'll just be black, won't they? So as you can see, we've got a lot of work to do. So a couple of things I need to line up. Stereo system. Definitely need an improved stereo system. Anyone been to Le Mans? Please tell me, is there any TV streaming? Do I need a TV in the back to be able to watch it? I really tried to get sorted with one of the travel destinations, sort of inner on the Porsche curves where they've got their own little bar. Not that I would drink. Widescreen TVs all over the place and security, but we couldn't get in there. Left it way too late. This isn't going to end well, is it? But anyway, so I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da for now.